In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the 3D cursor to the world origin in Blender using 3 different methods. This is a foundational skill for ensuring precision and accuracy in your modeling tasks. So let's dive in and explore each approach. First up, we have Method 1, Sejals, which involves the nifty use of the Shift plus S menu. To begin, simply press the Shift and S keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This action will open up the Snap Pie menu, a circular menu providing various snapping options. Now within this menu, you'll want to look for and click on Cursor to World Origin. By selecting this option, you will move the 3D cursor to the center of your scene, precisely at the coordinates 0, 0, 0. This method is particularly useful if you are used to working directly with pie menus and enjoy the quick access they offer. Next, let's talk about Method 2, which utilizes the Shift plus C hotkey. Begin by pressing the Shift and C keys together. This key combination serves a dual purpose. It immediately resets the 3D cursor to the world origin and simultaneously frames all the objects within your viewport. This means you'll not only align your cursor to the center of your workspace, but you'll also get a convenient overview of all the objects present in your scene. It's a great 1-2 punch that sets up your workspace efficiently, ideal for when you need a quick reset both spatially and visually. Finally, let's move on to Method 3, a more menu-driven approach. Start by heading to the top menu bar of the 3D viewport and click on Object. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to the Snap subsection. Once inside the Snap menu, look for the Cursor to World Origin option and select it. This method is excellent for those who prefer navigating through menus and appreciate the structured, step-by-step procedural approach. Utilizing the menu system can be especially helpful if you're still getting familiar with Blender's user interface, or if you simply prefer this style of interaction for its clarity and explicit steps. So, there you have it. 3 distinct methods to achieve the same result. Resetting your 3D cursor to the world origin in Blender. Depending on your workflow, preferences, and familiarity with the software, you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Whether it's the speed of hotkeys or the structure of menu navigation you prefer, mastering these methods will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency and accuracy in 3D modeling projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy modeling!